first look, we are going to take this pearly white shade and apply this all over the eyelid like so. You can start from the inner corner and then just smudge it outwards. You don't have to take it all the way out. And then I'm going to take this blue color and apply it just where my crease begins on the inner corner and also on the outside like a winged eyeliner, starting from the lower lash line, and we're just going halfway into the lower lash line and pulling it outwards. Then doing the exact same thing with the other color. I just wanted to do like a nice mismatched look because it's really in trend and it's so easy to do. I'm finishing this look using some false lashes. This is the Jacqueline lashes, and that's it. This is the first look. It is so easy and I love these colors. We're going a little bit bolder for look number 2, and I'm just going to draw a graphic liner. I'm using the Huda Beauty liquid liner. It is really dark, so be careful. And then I'm just darkening the inner side of that graphic liner using the kohl pencil. So you can fill this up with any color of your choice. For today's look, I'm just filling it up with this beautiful duochrome blue glitter. It looks different in different colors as you move your eyelid. It looks black, it looks blue, so I think it gives it a really nice dimension. And this is it. That's the finished look. It is so easy. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it. For look number 3, I'm going to take this pink eyeshadow first and I'm applying that all over my crease. As you can see, I am patting it on to build the intensity, and then I'm going to take a fluffier brush and go ahead and blend that. But I'm going to repeat this process a couple of times till I get that desired intensity, and then I'm going to take a darker pink shade and use that onto the outer side of my crease just to add in a little bit more depth. And I'm also taking that onto the lower lash line, not all the way through, just halfway. And then I'm going to take this purple shimmery glitter. It is so beautiful. It is one of my favorite shades from the palette, and I'm just going to fill that halfway across my eyelid, like a half cut crease almost. But yeah, and I'm also taking it onto the inner corner of my lower lash line, and I'm finishing it up with a classic winged eyeliner. And then I'm again going to top it up with lashes. Throughout the video, I'm wearing the Huda Beauty Jacqueline lashes. And yeah, that's it. These are the 3 looks. I think this is one of the most versatile palettes, one of my favorite Huda Beauty palettes, to be honest. And I'm so happy that it's finally available in India. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you very soon.